In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. You can switch it off by hitting the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!